In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate desirable body weight step by step using the Tannhauser's method or Broca's index. Hello, I'm Miss R&D and welcome to my channel. This is our second tutorial for this channel. First, let's define DBW. Desirable body weight or ideal body weight is the estimation of a person's body weight that is fit to reach or maintain a desirable nutritional status. It is based on several factors including height, weight, age, and sex. There are several ways to compute for this, but today we'll focus on the Tannhauser's method first. To compute, we use this formula. So DBW is equal to height minus 100 minus the 10% of height minus 100. So remember, we reduce 10% to fit the calculations of Filipinos' body frames. Now we have our first example. Calculate the DBW of an adult female who stands 5'7". First thing, we need to convert the height to centimeters. So tandaan, laging centimeters ang ginagamit natin for Tannhausers. So 5'7" is equal to 5 feet times 12 inches divided by 1 foot. So plus 7 inches. That is equal to 67 inches times 2.54 centimeters divided by 1 inch. So the answer is 170.18 centimeters. Pero for simpler computations, once 5 feet na ang isang tao, 60 inches na siya agad. Then, just add the remaining inches. Now, kapag nakuha na natin yung height in centimeters, we can use the formula. So, just plug in the value of height that we got. So, that is 170.18 centimeters minus 100 minus the 10% of 170.18 centimeters minus 100. So, once you plug it in the calculator, you will get 63.162 kilograms or 63.1 kilograms. Meaning, for their height na 5'7", they must weigh about 63.1 kilograms. So, yun yung kanilang desirable body weight. For a shortcut, ang nilalagay ko sa calculator is minus 100 na agad. So, instead of 170.18 centimeters, diretso 70.18 na lang, then bawas ng 10%. So, another example, calculate the DBW of an adult male who stands 4'11". Again, we need to convert the height to centimeters. So 4'11" is equal to 4 feet times 12 inches divided by 1 foot plus 11 inches. That is equal to 59 inches times 2.54 centimeters divided by 1 inch. And the answer is 149.86 centimeters. After getting the height in centimeters, we can now use the formula. So DBW is equal to 149.86 centimeters minus 100 minus 10% of 149.86 centimeters minus 100. So the answer is 44.874 kilograms, but don't forget to round it up. So the answer is 44.9 kilograms. Last example, number 3. What is the DBW of an adult male who stands 6'2"? Let's convert the height again to centimeters. So 6'2" is equal to 6 feet times 12 inches divided by 1 foot plus 2 inches. So that is equal to 74 inches. Then we will multiply it to 2.54 centimeters divided by 1 inch. The answer is 187.96 centimeters. Finally, we can use the formula. So DBW is equal to 187.96 centimeters minus 100 minus the 10% of 187.96 centimeters minus 100. So the answer would be 79.164 kilograms or 79.2 kilograms. Again, for shortcut, ang ima-minus 100 na natin siya agad. So, ang ipa-plug natin sa calculator is 87.96 minus 8.796. Pero same pa rin yung makukuha nating sagot na 79.164 kilograms. That's all for today. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.